Hi everyone, I am Diya
I'm Ansh.
and I am Ashima, and
Together,
together we are
we are
techmates.
In the video, we are going to pitch a project for the SIT-210 Embedded Systems Design. The name of our project is EcoBreathe.
EcoBreathe. The name itself says everything. EcoBreathe is a natural air purifier that uses both natural and man-made resources to make the air in the closed environment breathable by reducing the AQI level. Our aim is to make a sustainable product that causes the less harm to the environment and is affordable, also that everyone gets fresh air to breathe. Now, let's move to the problem statement. In the modern world, with the increase in industrialization has harmed the environment a lot. One of the major problems is the increasing air quality index. The more is the AQI, the more harmful is the air to breathe for everyone. Industrial wastes in the air has caused the AQI to rise in the past decade, due to which the demand for the air purifiers had gradually raised. Looking at an example of my own country, Delhi is the capital of India, suffers a lot due to increase in AQI every year, which rises above 400. This is a lot more than that human breathable level, which stands under 50 AQI. This problem inspired us to make a product that will stand alone, make the air breathable with the help of natural mechanism in a closed environment like a room or office. Now, here is the existing solution. There are many countries which are already there in the market, but they are not much good in functioning, as some of them requires maintenance as well as they are non-biodegradable, such as HEPA filters. Now, I would like to invite Ashima to continue the pitch.
For addressing this issue, we have came up with natural air purifier system in which through different natural processes the air will get purified, but our system will be acting as a catalyst in this natural system. To boost up the mechanism, we have integrated few sensors, activated carbon and some fans. Here, plant roots and activated carbon will absorb the polluted air and sensor will use to sense, think and act upon the system. Here are the hardware and the software we will be using to complete our prototype. Now allow me to explain some biological processes which helps us to clean the air naturally. Our solution uses a fan to suck in the air through the soil and into the roots of the plant. This increases the rate at which pollutants are absorbed by the plant, then the leftover pollutants are further absorbed by the activated carbon.
The presented block diagram illustrates a comprehensive system comprising essential components for holistic environmental management. Temperature and humidity sensor. The module continuously monitors ambient conditions. Soil moisture sensor designed to gauge soil moisture levels, ensuring precise plant hydration. UV lamp serving a dual purpose by enhancing air quality and providing artificial sunlight for plant growth. Water flow sensor essential for maintaining optimal plant watering levels. Air quality sensor measure pollutant levels contributing to human comfort and well-being. These components are merged together by an Arduino Nano 33 IoT, serving as the central control unit. It adequately processes sensor data to execute vital actions such as fan activation for temperature regulation and water pump activation to manage soil moisture levels. Furthermore, the system incorporates a data transmission aspect, enabling the relay of critical information to Raspberry Pi Cloud server for comprehensive monitoring. A system is self-sustainable in order that it takes the water itself when and as needed. Also, there is a UV light attached to the bottom of the plant pot that helps in photosynthesis.
Thank you for listening patiently. This was the end of our project pitch.